Hey everyone, in today's video or vlog, I'm going to be vlogging my New Year's Eve because that's pretty much all I can do. I tried to film my tumbling video, but it was too dark outside, so I just didn't do that idea. Now I am about to go set off some fireworks in slow motion. It'll kind of be like an aesthetic video for you guys. So that's pretty much it. It's 2019 and I cannot wait to have a better start. I'm going to end the vlog here. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and also to follow my socials down below to get notified every single time I post an event or post a video and an event coming up. And that's it for this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.